Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Golf Rangefinder, updated. Point the device at the target, steady your hands, and press the measure button. Adjust settings for yards or meters and enable pin seeking if available. Learn to interpret slope readings and lock onto the flag for consistent yardages. Practice on different holes to build trust in the numbers and improve club selection over time. In this video, I will explain how to use a Golf Rangefinder, updated. Toggle slope mode only when casual play allows it, and turn it off for competition. Use pin seeking to avoid trees or backgrounds that confuse the laser, and try continuous scan to measure multiple points quickly. Learn how angle-corrected yardages change your club choice and practice reading small differences to refine your distance control. In this video, I will explain how to use a Golf Rangefinder, updated. Keep spare batteries in your bag and test the device on the driving range before teeing off. Check readings against yardage books or measured markers to understand any consistent offset. Clean the lens gently and store the unit in its case to protect calibration. With small checks and care, your rangefinder becomes a reliable tool for smarter club selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.